is in startup.
Great news. The flight computers have taken over, and we're just waiting for the final go from the launch director.
LD is go for launch.
And awesome news. All systems are go for Falcon 9's launch of Transporter 9.
T-minus 30 seconds.
Stage
15 seconds.
Flight.
T-minus 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Ignition. And liftoff of SpaceX Transporter 9. Go Transporter, go SpaceX.
Vehicle pitching downrange.
Nominal chamber pressure.
It is T plus 40 seconds into flight, and Falcon 9 has cleared the tower at Space Launch Complex 4 East. And we've got some awesome views there. Falcon 9 is throttling down in preparation for max Q. That's the point of maximum aerodynamic stresses on the vehicle during ascent.
Vehicle supersonic.
And that should be coming up here in a few seconds.
Max Q.
And great call out there. We've passed through max Q. Next up will be a few events happening back to back. That will be MECO, stage separation, stage 1 flip, SES-1, and then the start of the boost backburn on the first stage vehicle. Now, MECO is where we will shut down all 9 of those M1D engines that you see ignited on your screen there. Once we shut down those engines, then we can prepare for stage separation. That's where the first and second stages will separate from each other. After that, the first stage vehicle will begin to make its way back to land with the stage 1 flip as well as the start of its boost back burn, while the second stage ignites its MVAC engine with the event called SES-1 or second stage engine start 1. Again, those events coming up here in just about 20 seconds or so. That will be MECO, stage separation, stage 1 flip and the boost back burn, as well as SES-1.
And MECO.
Stage separation confirmed.
Stage 2 ignition.
Stage 1 boost back startup.
And some incredible views there on your screen. You could see the first stage vehicle in the view of the second stage view. We've also have a shortened nozzle on today's flight today, so you can see the flame on that MVAC engine burning very bright. Excellent views today. What a sight to see.
Fairing separation confirmed.
And there we just heard the call out for fairing separation confirmation. And we are in the boost back burn of that first stage vehicle. This boost back burn lasts just about a minute.
Stage 1 boost back shutdown.
And there's that call out that the boost back burn has concluded for the first stage vehicle. Now that is the first of 3 burns in order for the first stage vehicle to make its way back to land.
Following nominal trajectories.
Some good call outs there, both vehicles following nominal trajectories. On your left-hand screen, you can see that the grid fins are deploying on the first stage vehicle. So it will first do its flip, boost back burn, and now it can deploy those grid fins to help guide it back to our landing zone today. Again, what you're seeing on your screen on the left-hand side is a view of the first stage vehicle, and on your right-hand screen, a view from the second stage looking at our MVAC engine. We've got some awesome clear views today on both the first and second stage. Really cool to see. The next event coming up for the first stage vehicle will be the entry burn. That should happen around the T+6 minute mark, which is just about a minute and 15 seconds away from now. Again, the first stage vehicle has 3 burns in order to make its way back to land today. It's already completed the boost back burn. The next burn will be the entry burn. That's where we'll reignite some engines to help slow the vehicle down in preparation for re-entering the Earth's atmosphere. Then we'll use the atmosphere to help scrub most of the velocity on the vehicle, and then use a final burn, the landing burn, to help the vehicle touch down for landing. Again, what you're seeing on your screen is a view of the second stage vehicle. Today we are flying a shortened nozzle. That's why you could see that flame coming out of that MVAC engine there. Again, with some incredible views with the Earth in the background. And we are coming up on the entry burn for the first stage vehicle here in a few seconds. First stage on your left-hand screen.
Both vehicles continue to follow nominal trajectories.
Stage 1 entry burn startup.
And there you can see that the entry burn has begun on the first stage vehicle. This burn lasts just about 15 seconds or so.
Stage 1 entry burn shutdown.
And as you can see,
AFTS is saved.
As you can see and heard that call out that the entry burn has concluded, those engines have shut down. Again, that helps slow the vehicle down as it enters back into the Earth's atmosphere, but now we are utilizing the atmosphere to help slow down the first stage velocity. Now the landing burn should be coming up here in about 10 seconds or so.
Stage 1 is transonic. Stage 1 landing burn.
And there you can see the landing burn has begun. Let's watch as Falcon 9 touches down on landing zone 4.
Landing lead deploy. Stage 1 landing confirmed.
And an awesome view as Falcon 9 touched down on landing zone 4. This marks the 12th landing for the specific booster, and also marks SpaceX's 244th landing of an orbital class rocket.
Stage 2 FTS is saved.
Now the next event coming up is SECO 1, or second stage engine cutoff 1. And that will be where we shut down that MVAC engine that you see burning bright on your screen and allow the vehicle to coast. This will be the first shutdown of this engine, first of 2 burns.
SECO.